In the 70s, the area around the station began to develop. With the development, the people started to invest at this precious place, which is the beginning of the station's prosperity. Such as hotels complex started to appear around the Taipei main station. It soon attracted people to visit its flourishing. It brought a lot of business opportunity, which is the start of a great business district. And when the time came to the 90s, the station undergone a reconstruction. Not only the appearance changed, but the MRT system started to build. The appearance changed into a bigger construction in order to be both train and the MRT station, and it attracted a lot of investments again. The investments shaped the station into a complex, which features many shops for the tourists. Because it is the train station at the same time, which makes it a very convenient and popular place for travelers, not only from the Taipei city, but also the other cities in Taiwan. Because of its convenience, it is surrounded by many business districts, which brings more and more people come here and take a visit. And there comes another type of investments again. So does that of the constructions. Such as Q Square, Xinguang Mitsubishi Department, and some famous chain stores began to appear near the station, and it gradually became the appearance we familiar now.
The original Taipei main station was first built in 1897, and during the Japanese colonial period, it was extended upon and reopened in 1901. As demand for rail services grew, the station was redeveloped in 1940. And by the 80s, it was clear that a new location had been found, and it is then rebuilt in its current location. In 19th century, people live in Taipei don't know what a train is, so they are afraid of it. To get rid of that, the president of Taiwan then decided to build it in Dadao-Chen. At first, it can only travel to Hsinchu and Keelung until Japanese came to Taiwan. In the period when Japanese ruled Taiwan, they had finished the whole railway system in western Taiwan and rebuilt a new Taipei station in order to make up an economic system. After our government now came to Taiwan, they built up the new station in order to have a bigger platform. Soon, Taipei has become the most prosperous city in Taiwan. Because of the traffic here, the station was so convenient that the most train schools and restaurants are all nearby it. Taipei Station has become the famous spot of Taipei.
My name is Joshua, and today I'll be talking about some of my favorite food here at Taipei main station. I used to take lessons around this area, so I know the best food that you can find here. The first place on my list is this store that sells beef noodles and dumplings. The price of their food is very cheap, but the taste is far more than what it is worth. There are many options on the menu. Also, they have some one-of-a-kind spicy noodles that I hope one day you could give it a try. This is a small shop located at a crowded place. It's hard to notice, but once you try their scallion pancake, you will never forget it. Flavors to choose from, and you can add whatever they have on the menu into your pancake. Although you may accidentally add too much stuff in your pancake, I can assure you that whatever the owner makes is out of this world. This is the third place on my list. They serve breakfast at 6 in the morning every day, and there is no doubt that they have the best omelet I have ever tasted. Last but not least, we have McDonald's. We all know that if you want to become an international landmark, you have to have McDonald's. Not because how good the foods are, but because it fits everyone's appetite.
Taipei Station, also known as Brief Taipei Station. When you come here, you can not only take the train and the MRT, but also buy various special souvenirs for your friends and family. The ground floor, the most distinctive feature, belongs to this black and white square. In the past, people would sit in the black or white brick, but now it is not open because of COVID-19. Before you take a train, you can hold the control to control. Therefore, you won't be serving for you to get there are many local specialties. Finally, come to station from Metro Mall. It's heaven for otaku. You can buy anime-related products and game consoles. Many game lovers also come here for communication and playing games in the stores on holidays.
Hello, welcome to Taipei main station. Today we are going to introduce to you the three malls that located inside the Taipei main station, such as Taipei City Mall in Zone 1, K Underground Mall in Zone K, Station Farm Metro Mall in Zone Z. First, let's take a look what's inside in the Taipei City Mall. Let's go! Here we are in the Taipei City Mall. As you can see, this is a lot of stores for you to shop about. For example, clothes, bags, watches, online and video games, cosmetics, and so on. There is also an entrance inviting Internet to Hill Square, which is a fashionable shopping mall. The next station is K Underground Mall. Let's go. K Underground Mall is located in between the station Formula Metro Mall and the Taipei main station. This is probably the more upscale of underground malls connecting to the MRT. It is more food-oriented place that give people a lot of food choice. And also have health bookstore, beverage booth stands, convenience store, and arcades. Lastly is the station from Metro Mall. Its open time is from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can usually arrive here with the connecting corridors of K Underground Mall. During the weekends, it usually has various activities such as exhibition, publicity, book fairs, etc. And sometimes young people are practicing dancing.